Classifications of bones according to their shape. Bones are the same with their structure, development, and functions, and types of bone differ in their size and shape. Shapes of the bone are long bone, short bone, flat bone, and irregular bones. Long bones such as the humerus, radius, femur, fibula, and tibia are long and narrow and have expanded ends. Short bones such as the carpals and tarsals are cube-like and their length equals their width. This includes sesamoid or round bones, which are embedded in tendons. Flat bones such as the sternum and scapula are plate-like with broad surfaces. And irregular bones such as the vertebra and sacrum are a variety of shapes, and most are connected to other bones.